Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share everything we have planned for the fall for the Society of Physics Students, but we call it SPS for short. I'm Joshua, I'm an upcoming senior and co-president here at SPS, and the whole point of this club is to feed that passion for physics that we all have to some degree, especially if you're not even aware of it yet. For me personally, it's actually really important to make physics approachable for everyone. So in the spring last year, I launched a new installment of Physics Explained events where we had students like me just casually talk about topics that anyone wanted to find out more about, like quantum computing or just solar panels, whatever you want. Most quarters, we try to take a group of students off campus to go to conferences and tour places like SLAC. We were meant to go there in the spring, but that didn't end up working out. Uh, don't worry though, it's not all boring. We have a lot of fun events like board game nights, trivia nights, movie nights, and one of my personal favorites, Physics Halloween, where we saw who was the best at stabbing pumpkins to get the most voltage out. That's always a fun one. Well, that's it for me. Now I'm going to throw it over to you.
Thanks, Josh. Welcome, everyone. My name is Yi. I'm a rising junior, and I'm the vice president of SPS. So our club is a place for to explore interesting physics beyond the classroom, and we have two programs just for this purpose. First, we have our Colloquium. You, the students, get to choose a topic that you're interested in, and then the department will be bringing an expert of the field to give us a talk. This is a really good opportunity for you to learn more about the field and just to ask any questions you might be having. The second thing we have is our journal club. You also get to choose the topic that you want to explore, and we will all read an article about this. After a week, we'll come back together and talk about what we learned from the article and any questions we might be having. So yeah, to learn more about how to integrate your knowledge in physics into the community around us, let's hear from Alexa.
Thanks, Yi. So my name is Alexa Kisis, and I'm an upcoming senior at SCU as well as the Community Outreach Chair for SPS. For outreach this year, we're planning to coordinate with local middle and high school STEM programs, specifically with physics tutoring and community assistance, as well as once we're back and everything is safe, we plan to do a city cleanup with the Parks and Recs departments of either San Jose or Santa Clara to highlight our community-oriented approach and another aspect of that. I want to emphasize that any ideas you have or want to implement or want to work with, we as a committee are more than willing to work with you and make those ideas happen. So just to let you know, we're pretty flexible on that. And with that, I want to welcome you and can't wait to meet everyone.